this place.
They say the best way to remember how to code is to build something. So, I decided to build a universe, or at least the smallest part of one. Most games let you play as a hero, a soldier, or a wizard. I decided to make a game where you play as this, a single hydrogen atom. At first, it's actually pretty zen. You just float around the research facility, watching your kinetic energy rise as you pick up speed. But as any scientist will tell you, atoms don't like being alone. The goal is fusion. You smash into other atoms to grow heavier. I'm helium now, then lithium. And as I get bigger, the game changes. The facility starts getting aggressive. When you reach high energy levels, the lab becomes a literal particle accelerator bullet hell. If you get hit, you lose mass. If you dodge them, you keep evolving. But in a room full of random atoms, is getting bigger actually a good idea?